Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to tell the user or name and age with classes. So we're not going to do it with print because print is going to be a little too easy. All you have to do is print name and then your name, and then you can just do print age, and then yeah. That's why we're not going to use print. It's a little too easy, so we're not going to use print. We're going to use classes. So let's get started. First, we are going to make a class. So that's class. And we're going to name this class person information. Yeah. And we're going to make a function inside this. And this function is going to be called in it. And you need it to be like that. Then you can just put your parentheses, and yeah. Inside these parentheses, we're gonna make some parameters, which means like values, which means name. And before we put this name, we want to put self, and then we want to put our name. Then we can put our age thing. And then we can put our colon so we can make stuff inside it. But why we put the self is because if we make our other code, we have to do self.name inside the function. It has to be inside the function. So why we're doing this is because self.name is seeing we're making the name equal to the name. So I have to put self.name or whatever you put here. Let's say you put this. It would be this name. But I like to put self. So I just put self.name. And that's going to be equal to age, and we're going to do self.age, which is going to be equal to age. So yeah. And we want to line them up. Just like that. And then we want to get out of this class and function, and we want to make P1 equal to person parentheses name colon space Ritvik and then comma space. Let's just count it as 8. And yeah. Now we're going to make 2 more new lines, and we're going to print P1 dot name, and we're also going to print P1 dot age. So let me tell you what this is doing. So we're doing P1, which is going to be equal to the person, which basic, and what we cannot do person. Why? Because we named our class person information. So you have to do person underscore information and then parentheses. And why we put person information was because the only thing inside the class was a function, and this function was named init, which means that the computer has to take this stuff in, like it has to take this stuff inside. So we just put our thing, like we just named it person information. That's basically what we did. And then we did name colon space Ritvik. We made that equal to name because our first parameter is name, and our second parameter is age. So I made age equal to age 8. So let's run this and see what happens. Run it. It says name Ritvik age 8. So yeah guys, that was the end of the video. So if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.